What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and I want to welcome you back to another video. If you are new to the channel, I thank you for tuning in, and let me tell you a little bit about it. So on this channel, we talk everything stocks, investing, money, and personal finance. If that is something that interests you, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And also, if you guys can, just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. If you guys are new to investing and want to try out Webull, you can hit the link in the description below, and you can get it for 4 free stocks. In today's video, we will be doing a stock analysis on Hyliion. Ticker symbol is HYLN. Hyliion produces electrified powertrains that can either replace or augment traditional diesel vehicles. Now, Hyliion is currently trading at $17.27 at the time I am making this video. So Hyliion found a problem, and they are currently trying to come up with a solution. So that problem is carbon dioxide that is taking over the planet, and 36.6 billion metric tons of CO2 were emitted globally in 2018. So their trucks, just 335 of them, will eliminate 1 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide. So they are trying to expand their company, and in the future it will be a great investment for them. Hyliion currently has 2 different trucks, their hybrid electric and their Hypertruck ERX. They have 30,000 plus trucks of the hybrid electric already, with 2 million miles driven on the road to date. Their ERX should be coming out this year, and they are hoping for a pre-order of 1,000 trucks. Comparing their hybrid electric to a regular diesel, it will save the company about 6%, from $431,850 to $404,493 over a 7-year total cost. So it will save the companies a little bit of money. And in the future, with their Hypertruck ERX, they have savings of over 35% over other possible electric features, other electric companies from Tesla or Nikola. Hyliion says they always outperform the competition, so their range is over 1,300 miles. They have a charge time of only about 10 minutes, which is better than Nikola, which is the same as Nikola and better than Tesla. They have 53,000 pounds of payload capacity, and they go from 0 to 60 in 20 seconds. So as you can see here, they consistently outbeat Tesla and Nikola in these categories. So I do believe Hyliion will be on top of this industry in electric vehicles. So Hyliion already has some orders coming in. Agility has pre-ordered 1,000 of their new Hypertruck ERXs that should be coming out sometime this year in 2021. So there are many companies that Hyliion can try to target within an $800 billion market opportunity. They could target UPS, Amazon, DHL, Walmart, HEB, Coca-Cola, and those are some of the big ones. Amazon, if I didn't say that yet, those are some of the big ones there. Hyliion recently became public through a SPAC called Tortoise Acquisition, and they are currently sitting in over $1.5 billion in cash and total assets. So they have a lot of cash sitting on the sidelines in order to expand their company and expand their brand and try to capture that potential $800+ billion market opportunity. Let's take a look at some of their financials. So in 2020, they had 20 units sold, and their revenue was $1 million. In 2021, they expect to have 300 units sold and revenue of $8 million. In 2022, they expect to have 6,600 units sold and $344 million. 2023, they expect to have 16,500 units sold and over $1 billion. And in 2024, they expect to have 34,000 units sold with over $2 billion in revenue. As you can see, this company is increasing their revenue at an exponential rate. Let's take a look at some of their advantages. They have the lowest total cost of ownership. They're compatible with any Class 8 truck from any manufacturer, which means they can just change or replace the diesel trucks with their technology that they built. And they're the only electric net carbon negative emission solution. So let's take a look at their 1-year chart here. As you can see, it went all the way up to $58.66 as a high, and that was during their SPAC, the acquisition going on. They went up to almost $60 as a high, and then they came crashing down like a dirty little whore, which all these SPACs seem to do after they completed their merger. Now, why did they crash down, do I think? I think the hype around it really bumped it up towards $60 plus, but then people looked deeper into the company and their financials and saw that they are not making that much money right now, but hopefully in the future they intend to make a lot of money. So is Hyliion stock a current buy for me? Now, personally, I will not be buying into this company just yet. I think potentially in the future they have the potential to earn a ton of revenue, and I do think it will be a good investment in the future. But right now, I need to see them prove that they are making adequate sales and they will keep up their revenue before I invest my money into them. But definitely, potentially, we'll keep an eye out on this one for the future. With that being said, I am going to wrap up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel and let me know about what investments you're looking at. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!